Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how we can cash out from our SweatCoin account to bank account. And for that you cannot directly withdraw your SweatCoins from your SweatCoin app, and you will be needing a different app for that, and it is called SweatCoin wallet. So just go to Google or App Store or Play Store, and here just search for SweatCoin wallet. Then just download it and make an account on it, then just open it up, and here you will be able to see an option called login with SweatCoin. Just click on it, then it will redirect you to SweatCoin app where you have been walking around and earning SweatCoin. Just give your approval, but always make sure that you have walked a few steps before approving, as it won't allow at 0 steps. So approve it, and after that you will be able to send your SweatCoin to KuCoin or Bybit account, and make sure that you also have an account on KuCoin or Bybit. Only then you will be able to send your SweatCoin balance to these exchanges, and after that you can just sell SweatCoins to USDT or USDC and then convert it into your native currency of your country, and that's how you get your SweatCoins into your bank account. And I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.